Hey guys, this is Alex and I'm signing in for the second time today. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can make a bird drinking water um, through these sheets of paper. Now, previously, well, actually just now, I made a video on how you can make a flapping bird right here. If you haven't watched that video, please do watch that. It's basically almost the same steps, but well, here and there are some differences. So let's get started with the requirements. First of all, you want a square sheet of paper. I have actually an A4 size sheet. I'll teach you how you get a square sheet of paper. After I mention the requirements. Then you want a pair of scissors. That's actually it. Instead of the pair of scissors, you can also use a scale, or for cutting the paper, you can also use your own bare hands. Basically, origami they use their own bare hands, but due to inadequate time, I have to use the scissors. So okay, let's get started. You take any end of the A4 size sheet, like this one, you align it with the other margin here, and just fold it like that. After you fold it, this this line here will be the margin for our square paper. So basically, you take a scissor, cut it off. So now we've got this perfect square sheet of paper. Now when you flip it around, you'll see this main crease. You would like to get the same crease on the other two ends. So basically you flip it back again. You take the two ends which are connected with this main crease. You fold it. You align the ends. And you fold it. Like that. Okay, after you're done with that, you just open it. You'll see a cross, a crease which looks like a cross. That's what you actually want. And the crease will make a center point of the square paper. So basically what you do now is you take the nail of any finger. You take that nail and just point it towards the center point and just push it down. You'll see that the paper is elevated. You can take any two ends and just align the heights like this. And you take the open side, you adjust it like this, and you fold it. You basically do that. Fold it. Okay. Now you do the same thing on the other side. Now you got a diamond shape. That's what you exactly want. Now you can see an openable side here and a non-openable side here. So what you do is you can see this main crease here. You have to make triangles like this. Fold it along the main crease and fold it so. like that. And you do the same thing on the other side. Like this, and you do the same thing on the other side. You line the edges like that. You line the crease. Do the same thing on the other side. And you fold the non-openable sides towards the triangles. And you open it. You'll get. Now this, as I told you in the previous video, this is the most complex part of making a bird drinking water. Now what you do is you can see this crease here made by the non-openable side. Just fold it again so that it can be proper. You open the openable side. You take the non-openable crease as your limit. Put it on a table. That's very important. Put it on a table for your support. And then you fold it by aligning the creases that you just made by making those triangles, and you do the same on the top. But the top part is pretty complex, so if you don't get it, please do mention that in the comment sections below. You switch to the other side, you do the same thing. You open it, you keep that as your limit. You fold these two like that and like this, and you fold it by arranging it like that. And after you do that, you do the same thing on the other side. Now you got the diamond cutting like I showed you in the previous one with the two legs. Now the difference in the previous one and this video is that we usually used to fold this up, but in this video we have to fold the whole thing like this. Fold it properly, be careful. Even this is very crucial of bird drinking water. Now after you made that, you're probably 2 steps away from making your bird drinking water. Now the next thing you do, you can take any 2 sides, this or this. I'll take this one, and you basically fold it inwards and you fold it like that. Yeah. Now you fold this thing like this. Now for the head, you take this and fold it in like this. Now what you do is you open this. Oh god, this is really tough. Probably tougher than a flapping bird. Yeah. This is also pretty complex. You just open this like that. You can see I fold before like this. You open it, you push it down and make a triangle like this. And that's basically it. You've made the bird drinking water. It's actually more complex than the flapping bird. I recommend you to master the flapping bird before you come to this, cause actually it's really tough. Now, how does it drink water? Like, suppose this is a kind of cup of water. You put your thumb and your index in this clip kind of thing here, you're drinking water. Beautiful, isn't it? Now, if you think this video was really complex and you couldn't understand anything, then you can just mention that in the comment sections below. If you haven't seen the flapping bird video, please do watch that and master that before coming to this. And if you like my video, just hit the like button and subscribe. And